Alright, so step 1, draw the horizon line somewhere close to the middle of your page. Step 1, horizon line. Please take out your headphones, Christian. No headphones. Step 2? What's step 2? Two vanishing points. And we put them way on the end. Don't put them in the middle. Put them way on the end so you have the most room possible to work with. Step 3? How do we start the box? 3 parallel lines. 3, the symbol for parallel lines. 3 parallel lines. You will. We're going to draw boxes first. Just like we did with Valor, we drew the box, then drew the letter inside the box. Yeah, but we're doing it 3 point, or 2 point. Okay, so 3 parallel lines. I did 1 in the middle. That's my midline. 1 on the side. Yeah, but we're going to turn them into letters. Yeah. So 3 parallel lines. Next step. Connect the midline to the vanishing point. I call that the diamond. So which one's my middle one? I have 1, 2, 3. This one's my middle one. From the top of it, I go to my vanishing point. And now I'm smart. I don't have to draw it all the way back because I just end up erasing that. I just connect those two, but I just make sure it's lined up at the vanishing point. If you have trouble with that, go ahead and draw it all the way back just so you can double check yourself. Okay? But I can go up there and check and be like, yep, it lines up. There we go. So that's the top of my diamond. The other side, because I'm on the, here's my midline, I'm on the right side. I'm going to go to the right vanishing point. And again, I'm not going to draw it all the way back because I just end up erasing. I just drew it that much. So every line I've drawn is either straight up and down vertical or it's connecting to a vanishing point, without exception. Okay, so now I have to do the bottom of my diamond. So from down here, there, same thing. It would connect if I drew it, but I'm saving myself time and effort by shortening it once I hit my third line, outer line, like that. Step 5, erase. Oh, the little tails that were too long, I have to erase. And you might not have made your outer parallel lines long enough, so just extend them if they weren't quite long enough. And I also need to erase the horizon line where it goes through my box, because my box is not see-through. Okay, and that's where we stopped yesterday. We just drew boxes. This one's on the horizon line, so we can't see top or bottom. If you made yours above, we'd have to show the bottom. If you made yours below, we'd have to show the top. And we'd have to add depth lines. But since we're moving on to one on the horizon line with the edge closest to us, step 6 is pick your side and draw a letter. Okay, so pick side, go to your midline, and you're either going to draw your letter on this side or on this side. I'm going to do it on this side because I have a bigger space here. I'm going to do the letter C. And it's going to be a block letter. Again, there aren't curves. You're going to have to make all your letters blocky. Okay, so letter C. So that means I'm just going to kind of sketch it. I'm going to need a bar that way, right? One this way and one this way. So my vertical, I'll add in. So that's a straight up and down vertical. All other lines have to go to a vanishing point. And since I'm on the right side, I'm going to make them go to the right vanishing point. So from the top of that line I just drew, connect it. And from the bottom, line it up, connect it. Okay, so now I have a C, and it's all on this side, right? If I cover up this, it's all on this side, and it shows the depth of it here. So now I need to add depth to opposite, which was our last step yesterday as well. Depth to opposite. So from this corner, because this part of my C is below the horizon line, I should see the top right here. This part is above the horizon line, so I should see the bottom of it right here. So from these two corners, I'm going to go to my opposite vanishing point. And when I hit something, I stop. So I stop there because I hit the C. And I stop there because I hit the C. Now it looks like a 3D C. And the nice thing is I don't have to cut it off. With the Valor letters, we had to worry about, do I want it going all the way back to the point and cutting it off? It's done for you here. And now I can erase any excess. And add back in. Right now you can see behind this, so I'm going to add back in my horizon line right there. Okay, and then erase this, because I took out a chunk of the block that was the C.